If you are someone who is well experienced and skilled generator technician and would like to explore jobs abroad, then HuntsJobs brings an exciting job opportunity in Saudi Arabia with a well-known company. SMAX recruitment agency is currently shortlisting candidates and the final client interview will take place in Mumbai and Chennai soon. So stay with us till the end to explore more about this job opportunity. Before we dive into today's job details, make sure to join our WhatsApp channel for daily updates on job opportunities abroad. You can join by scanning the QR code provided here or using the link given in the description below. Now let's move on to the job specifics. Friends, the company that is offering you this job is a leading power solutions company. Currently, they are hiring candidates at their site located in Saudi Arabia. So let me now introduce the two available job positions, which are electrical generator technician and mechanical generator technician. To apply in them, candidates need to keep certain points in mind, such as for the role of electrical generator technician, candidates need at least minimum of 10 plus years of practical experience in DG troubleshooting, specifically Cummins, Perkins and CAT, independent experience of DG synchronization for multiple projects with the same or different controllers, and few more important points as displayed on your screen. For mechanical generator technician, candidates need at least minimum of 10 plus years of independent overhauling experience in diesel generators, specifically Cummins, Perkins and CAT. Strong knowledge about schedule and preventive maintenance of DG, specifically Cummins, Perkins and CAT, and few more important points as displayed on your screen. Now talking about your educational qualifications, candidates should hold a diploma or ITI certification for both the positions. Furthermore, they must have minimum of over 10 years of relevant work experience. Coming to the salary, the company will offer you an attractive salary package that you can negotiate with the company with respect to your experience. Also, the company will provide benefits like free food, free accommodation and provide you annual tickets. So if you think you are a good fit for this job, then we encourage you to apply immediately. The shortlisting process has started and is ongoing at SMAX, a qualified, authorized and licensed recruitment agency. To get shortlisted, you can either visit the office address or send your CV on the contact details displayed on your screen. After the shortlisting process, the final interview will be held in Mumbai and Chennai shortly. Stay in touch with HuntsJobs commercials by subscribing to our YouTube channel, where you can discover a consistent stream of international job opportunities. Also, don't forget that you have the option to sign up for free on our official website www.huntsjobs.com to browse and directly submit applications for the international jobs of your interest. We appreciate your continued support with us. Thank you for being with us till here. Take care.